decapitation?
So first of all, he's decapitated. It's kind of a bigger
Got bigger
problem.
problems than that.
Exactly. But in the event that like his head is still attached, check for hemorrhage, right? H. HB. breathing. A.
HABC.
Airway. Yeah, breathing airway. So check for the airway. Head's gone, so that's next problem. C.
No,
Check
B.
it.
You're at B. HABC.
HABC.
So if I didn't clarify, if I confused you guys, so you stop at each one. So you H, ensure that H is taken care of. Then you go to A, make sure A is taken care of, and then B. So you're on B, right? You're on breathing.
Yeah.
Which covers your respirations and your chest.
So the pneumothorax, if he's not breathing, check for the trachea to be deviated, and that means that there's a pneumothorax there, so it's pushing everything to the side. That was what this one's for. Yeah. And so second intercostal. Your little Hawaiian thing, then middle finger to second intercostal, and then mid-axillary.
Can you feel the ribs? Oh, are you going on the side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So between the fourth and fifth.
Okay. There's a hole there.
Don't cheat. That's where they practice chest tubes.
So, okay, fourth and fifth. Oh, I can feel it. Okay. So yeah, it's like there. You push it in. One more.
Yeah. So. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So make sure you take this out.
Yeah, it's not going in first. Is that all it's supposed to go in? You said there was a pot.
Oh, because there's something in there. Like,
Okay.
if the human would be different.
Okay.
My bad. There's a battery pack in there.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, I forgot. Then remove the thingy, and then you should hear air, right? Air or blood coming out. And then he's saved. I'll be taking questions after.